Hello, in this video we are going to solve a CAT 2007 question, and this is from numbers. Consider the set S where S starts from 2, 3, 4, so these are consecutive numbers, and goes up to 2n plus 1 where n is a positive integer larger than 2007. Define x as the average of the odd integers in S and y as the average of the even integers in S. So what will be the value of x minus y? Now the question may look a little complex, but it's actually a simple question. There are few things that you need to consider. Now, first of all, the set starts with an even number, right? So I can say that S starts with an even number and then has odd, even, alternate, and it goes on because these are consecutive numbers. It ends with 2n plus 1. So 2n plus 1 is nothing but an odd number, right? So this set S will have odd minus even, which means an even number of entities. Okay, so if you start with any even number, for example, let's say 2, 3, 4 and 5. So if you want to end at an odd number, you will always have even number of values, which means there are 4 numbers in this set. Let's consider another S, right? So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So again, if you're ending at an odd number, you will have even number of entities. So which means that if you want to take, let's say, the average of the odd numbers or the even numbers, it will be divided by the total number of entities by 2. Okay, so if I want to calculate the average of odd numbers in this set, for example, what will be x? 3 plus 5, 3 plus 5 is 8 by 2 and 8 by 2 will be 4, and y, which is the average of even numbers, will be 2 plus 4, 6 by 2, 3. So in this case, x minus y is equal to 1. Now, some of you might be wondering why am I doing this where it's already mentioned that n is larger than 2007, because the importance here is not this number 2007, but that for every set, if we can prove that x minus y is same, we'll get our answer quickly. So let's look at the next set, which is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What will be x here? 3 plus 5, 8 plus 7, 15. 15 by 3 will be equal to 5. And y will be 2 plus 4, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 by 3 will be equal to 4. So what you can see is when we move from this set to this set, what is happening? There are two values that are getting added. Both these values are nothing but one more than the values in the earlier set, and hence the average of odd numbers also increases by 1. Average of even numbers also increases by 1, but x minus y will still remain constant, which means that even if you have any number 2000 which is more than 2007, and ideally this S would be something like 2, 3 up to and 2n plus 1 where n is larger than 2007. So let's take 2008. So 2008 into 2 is 4016 plus 1, 4017. So even if you calculate for this, you will still get x minus y equal to 1, and that will be our answer.